How to set up JBL Summit Pumori, full setup guide. Step 1. Unbox and inspect carefully. Remove the speakers from their packaging. Check for any visible damage. Ensure all accessories, like the isolation feet, are present. Step 2. Position your speaker's placement. Place each speaker at equal distances from your main listening distance from walls. Keep at least 30 cm, 12 inches, between the speakers and any walls to reduce sound reflections. Angle, slightly angle, toe in the speakers so they face your listening position. Isolation feet. Attach the provided iso-acoustics feet to minimize vibrations and enhance sound clarity. Step 3. Connect to your amplifier. Single wire connection. Connect one speaker cable from your amplifier to each speaker. Bi-wiring, optional. Use 2 sets of cables per speaker, one for high frequencies and one for low frequencies, for potentially improved sound detail. Bi-amping, optional. Use separate amplifier channels for the transfer, high and low frequencies of each speaker for greater control. Step 4. Power up and test. Turn on your amplifier or AV receiver. Play some familiar music to test the sound. Adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Step 5. Fine-tune for best sound. Adjust positioning. Move the speakers slightly closer together or farther apart to find the best stereo image. Room acoustics. If the sound is too echoey or lacks bass, consider adding rugs, curtains, or acoustic panels to your room. Step 6. Maintenance tips. Cleaning. Wipe the speakers with a soft, dry cloth. Avoid using liquids or sprays. Environment. Keep the speakers in a room with stable temperature and humidity.